In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore WooCommerce pages. Whether you've accidentally deleted a page or something has gone amiss during your setup, restoring these essential pages can be a straightforward process when you know exactly where to look and what to do. So, let's dive right into it and get your WooCommerce store back up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your WordPress site. You can access your dashboard by entering your website's URL, followed by WP admin, into your browser's address bar, then logging in with your admin credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu where all your WordPress management options are easily accessible. Our focus today will be on the WooCommerce section, so go ahead and navigate there. Find the WooCommerce option in the sidebar and hover over it, which will display a drop-down menu. From there, click on Status. The status page is useful for WooCommerce diagnostics because it gives you insight into your system information and any potential issues that might be affecting your store's performance. Once on the status page, you'll notice several tabs across the top. For our purpose today, click on the Tools tab. This tab provides various functionalities aimed at troubleshooting and managing your WooCommerce store. You can perform several maintenance tasks here, but the one we're interested in today is creating default pages. Scroll down the page until you see the option labeled Create Default WooCommerce Pages. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows WooCommerce to regenerate any default pages that may be missing, such as the Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account pages. These pages are fundamental for your online store to function correctly, facilitating the shopping and checkout process for your customers. Once you've located Create Default WooCommerce Pages, you'll simply click on it. When you do so, WooCommerce will automatically generate any default pages that are missing. This process is swift and efficient, ensuring that your site is fully operational with all necessary pages in place. After the system completes this task, you'll receive a confirmation message notifying you of the success of the operation. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your store is set up properly and ready for business. And with that, you've successfully restored your WooCommerce pages. Restoring these pages ensures your customers have a seamless experience when browsing and purchasing from your store. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in getting your WooCommerce store back on track. Don't hesitate to explore more WooCommerce features to enhance your online store's functionality.